Ever look at your lawn and wonder, why do weeds grow faster than your grass? What if I told you you can get rid of them without expensive chemicals? Let's fix your lawn starting today. Picture this. You step outside, coffee in hand, expecting a clean green lawn, but instead you see weeds everywhere. Frustrating, right? The truth is, weeds don't just appear randomly. They take advantage of weak spots in your lawn. Thin grass, poor soil, or overwatering can invite them in. Is your lawn healthy enough to fight weeds on its own? Because a thick, strong lawn is your first line of defense. How to get rid of weeds naturally. Easy and effective methods. Step 1. Manual removal. The right way. If you see weeds popping up, don't just pull the leaves, pull the roots. Use a weeding tool or your hands after watering, when the soil is soft. Don't let the roots stay. Simple. Step 2. Natural remedy. This is one of the most powerful DIY weed killers. You'll need 1 liter white vinegar, 2 tablespoons salt, 1 teaspoon dish soap. Vinegar dries out the weed, salt dehydrates it further, and soap helps the mixture stick to the leaves. Mix these entire well, pour into a spray bottle, and apply directly to weeds on a sunny day. Within 24 to 48 hours, you'll see them start to wither. Important, avoid spraying your grass. This solution kills any plant it touches. Step 3. Boiling water method. Simple, cheap, effective. Boil water and carefully pour it directly onto the weeds, especially in cracks, pathways, or edges of your lawn. The heat destroys the plant cells instantly, killing weeds down to the root. This method is perfect if you want something 100% chemical-free. Step 4. Prevent weeds from coming back. Getting rid of weeds is only half the job. Keeping them away is the real game. Mow high. Taller grass shades out weeds. Water deeply, not frequently. This encourages strong roots. Fertilize properly. Healthy lawns crowd out weeds. Fill bare patches. Overseed to prevent open space. Weeds love empty space. Don't give it to them. A weed-free lawn isn't about fighting harder, it's about being smarter. With the right methods and a little consistency, you can turn your lawn into thick, healthy grass that naturally pushes weeds out. But here's something interesting. Not all weeds are bad. Some of them can actually be beneficial for your health. For example, dandelions are known for their natural health benefits and have been used in traditional remedies for years. So here's a quick question for you. Which method are you going to try first? The vinegar spray or boiling water? Let me know in the comments. And if you're curious about how certain weeds like dandelions can actually benefit your health, make sure to check out the next video on your screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because your perfect lawn and maybe even better health starts right here.